of assistant engineer, a post or a job. So according to this given information, it means that this type of message is an application letter, okay? It means une demande de travail, okay? In Arabic, طلب توظيف, okay? This is for number 1. Then for number 2, we have here to Marco, then 47, then. So it means that this is an address email or an email address, okay? Then we have here, dear to whom, it is written Marco. Then we have best wishes. Here, write soon and tell me about you, write soon and tell me all about yourself, your friends, and your family. So it means here that it is an introductory letter, like the one that we did in the test and the one that we did in the classroom, the one of Kirsi, who is writing to Amel, who is from Algeria, if you still remember. Then number 3, we have dear Elena, and we have with love Melissa. I'm going to have a birthday party on Tuesday, so it is something clear. It is an informal invitation. Here, why it is an informal invitation? Because here we have it is short form or the contracted form, and we said before that we can only use it with informal, okay? So it is informal invitation. Then number 4, it is written here a formal apology. How you know that it is a formal apology? It is formal since we have here sir, okay? And also formal because here we wrote directly I am instead of am. And how we know that it is apology? Look, I'm sending you this apology letter to say I'm sorry. So according to this sentence, you're going to know that it is a formal apology. Okay? So this is for number 1. Then another question here in the same activity we have, who's the addresser and the sender in each message? So, or we have who's the addresser and the addressee in each message. So you have to know that the sender and the addresser are the same, okay? They have the same meaning. So, and the addressee, it means the receiver. For the first one, the addresser is Rashid bin Rabah, and for the second, and for the receiver here is Mr. Rick Donald. Then, for the second one, the sender is Sarah and the receiver is Marco. For number 3, the sender is Melissa and the receiver is Iliana. Then for number 4, we have the sender is Gontayan and the receiver is Arthur. Then this is the correction of this one. Sender addresser is, then the receiver who. This is for number 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay. Then now let's move on. To Act 2 or Activity 2. You are asked to combine the following sentences using one of the following connectors. We have here either or, neither nor, both and. I said that either or, it means we use it when we have two choices, okay? When we have the choice between two things. Either it means imma, you do this or this, okay? Then we have neither nor. We use it always when we have a negative sentence, okay? Neither nor, it means in Arabic لا هذه ولا هذه, okay? Then both and, we use it when we have two possible options, okay? So, in Arabic, both, it means كلاهما, okay? Let's start with number 1. You can send an email, you can send snail mail. So here you have to understand the meaning of the sentence first, okay? So here you have two options, okay? I said that whenever you have two options, you can use either or. It means whether you're going to do this or whether you're going to do this. So the answer is you can send either an email or snail mail, okay? Then number 2, she doesn't use the computer to study, She doesn't use the computer to play games. Here, I said that you have to look to its meaning. Is it positive or negative sentence? Here we have doesn't, so it is negative. Whenever you see that the meaning of the sentence is negative, directly use neither. Neither, it means, as I said, لا هذه ولا هذه. So, she doesn't use the computer to study. She doesn't use the computer to play games. She used the computer neither to study nor to play games. Okay? Then, number 3. Anna prefers to stay with a host family. Dan prefers to stay with the host family. So, let's say both of them, they prefer, let's say, staying with their host families. Okay? So, we're going to say both Anna and Dan prefer to stay with a host family. Okay? Then, Act 3 or Task 3, fill the blanks or the gaps, that is الفراغ, using to, in order to, so as to, and or their negatives. I'm writing this letter in order to congratulate you for your success or for your success. Then, I use my computer to search for information and so as not to waste my time. Then, we wrote a reply for Kirsty in order to introduce ourselves. All my friends use Facebook to make friends. So here I said that these ones, they express purpose. And how to put it here, it is, let's say, a question of understanding the meaning of the sentence. You have to understand the meaning of the sentence, then decide which one to be used here, okay? Then, reorder the following words. Here you are asked to reorder these following words, okay? For number 1, Amin prefers using phones to using computer. I like staying with my family rather than spending time surfing on the internet. Winter is extremely cold in England. Kirsty is very friendly. So here, if you want to practice them, the ones who don't have this paper, try to do pause for this video, then try to do it now. Then, we have here always school celebrate our 1st November. So for this one, I'm going just to tell you the answer orally. We're going to start by our school always celebrates 1st November. Our school always celebrates 1st November. Okay? Then we have task 5. Rewrite sentence B so it has the same meaning as sentence A. Here you are asked to rewrite this sentence as this one. We studied before expressing obligation, prohibition, and absence of obligation. So we have here number 1, he is obliged to click submit when he finishes filling his personal information. So, obliged to. I told you before that in order to express obligation we use must. So, it is so easy. Just omit obliged to and replace it with must. Okay? You're going to say he must click submit when he finishes and the rest of the sentence. Okay? Then, there is no necessity to open messages from stranger phones. There is no necessity. It means there is no necessity, okay? So here, to say that we don't need to open messages from stranger phones, okay? Then, I'm not obliged to take a taxi in order to go to school. Not obliged, so it is an absence of obligation. So we're going to say, I don't have to take a taxi in order to go to school. Okay? And for task 6, complete the following table. We have here a noun and a verb. We have application, its verb is to apply. Inquiry, its verb is to inquire. Invitation, to invite. Introduction, to introduce. Reception, to receive. sending, to send, apply, to apologize, acceptance, to accept, refusal, to refuse, reply, to reply, connect, to connect, information, to inform. Okay, so here, as I said, we have the noun and the verb. So that's all for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you can, let's say, understand these activities easily. And please don't forget to put like and subscribe. Thank you so much for attending this session.